Hello guys, welcome back again, and if you guys haven't subscribed or liked this video, make sure you do that and comment below what you think of the build so far. So yeah, the car been and hasn't been in a video for like a month, and I haven't told you guys, but it's time for me to show you what we're doing. If you follow me on Instagram, then that's another thing. Well, it's time for me to show you. Here is the color that we are gonna wrap this car. So we are gonna be wrapping the Z, and we also gonna be wrapping the S7. So if you guys wanna see how we do it or how I do it, I don't know yet, but Fernando's gonna be showing up maybe later today. But yes, I'm gonna start wrapping the Z, and we both got the same color, so we're gonna be wrapping. We're gonna be matching colors, so that's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna look pretty good. The car is clean up. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we went ahead and cleaned up the whole car, prepare it for the wrap. So yes, if you guys haven't seen it, or if you guys want to learn how to clay bar your car so it looks shiny, like look how shiny this car is, look how clean it looks. Like, it's honestly crazy the fact that this car is looking like this. So mainly what we had clay bar was the quarter panel, the doors, the hood, and the trunk. That was basically the most contaminated part that we had, just because we went ahead and painted the fenders, both of the fenders, the bumper and the back bumper. So that's why we didn't touch those as much, but we still went through it because we want to go ahead and protect those. But yes, this car is looking so good, and we're gonna wrap it. That's why the emblem is off, that's why some of the thing is off, and that's why the car been in the shop for so long. So we got everything, so we can start wrapping the car. So if you guys know, or if you guys have searched about wrapping your car, you know this is pricey. But listen, another way that you can save money, one way that you can save money, a lot of money by the way, is doing it yourself. But how good can it look if you do it yourself? You know, if you got the right tools, and if you kind of have like a clear knowledge of what needs to be done or how to handle the wrap, I'm pretty sure you guys gonna do a good job, even better than I'm gonna do right now. Cause I never wrap a car. The most I've done is wrap a roof. I haven't wrapped a hood yet, and like just some little stuff, you know. So I'm gonna wrap a full car. I have no idea. Thank you so much to the sponsor of the video, Vinyl Frog. So much, thank you. They're gonna help us out with the wraps, obviously providing the wrap. So I'll show you guys in a minute about the wrap. So this is what we got. Thank you so much, Vinyl Wrap, for supplying the wraps. Thank you so much. Also, guys, this I thought it was gonna take longer, but the ship period was a week. I ordered this, and within a week I got him. So pretty good. So you are not gonna be waiting for wraps. That's good. So the color is gonna be, yes sir. Yes sir, I forgot the actual name of the color, but it's like army green, not army green. Let me search it up real quick before I say some BS. Hold on. And I wasn't talking no BS. So this is the high gloss army green. So yes, this color, me and Fernando both agree on going with this color. I wanted some other color, but at the same time, you know, we wanted something different. Maybe another time we might pick another color. got going on so far. It's coming out pretty good. It's coming out pretty good, pretty sexy. I'm in love with the color though. Let's see how it comes up. Now I'm just taking apart the fenders. So I'm gonna do the front end first because I need to get out the car so we can go ahead and use the booth to paint another car. So I'm gonna finish with the fenders. I'm gonna take out the car, and then we're gonna bring another car in so we can paint it. But it's looking pretty good. So right now I just got these the fender loose, just this one, getting everything out so I can wrap the whole thing. I'm hoping it's a lot easier than the bumper. So let's go. Well, after another day or so, here's what I got done so far. So we got the front bumper already done. We got the driver's side fender already done. And we also have the passenger fender already done. It's all tucked in and everything. It's already cut, tucked in. So now I'm gonna put the front end back together, and then I'm gonna work my way through the whole car. This is crazy. It takes a lot of time. So make sure you have time, or make sure you're not doing this outside where the weather can change real quick.